rust bucket. The trunk was gone.
Yeah.
Everything was gone.
How long have you had it?
12 years.
Damn.
Paint's 12 years old.
Damn. Damn. Yeah, that's a beautiful car, man.
Just actually working it right now, working all the kinks out of it, seeing what all shakes, rattles, and rolls. And from there, I'm gonna go ahead and finish it out.
Yeah.
The interior and stuff. Work out all the bugs, get it resprayed.
You see, got all its sound deadener in there and stuff, keeping it nice and tight. Yeah, that's a beautiful car, man.
Yeah, it's not quiet enough for me.
Yeah. It's probably hard to keep it quiet a little bit with everything going on, but man, it definitely, it was pretty loud. It was a little rowdy when you pulled up. I didn't know it was this rowdy. but I definitely heard it. Wow.